everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Krystal. Today I'll be talking about Korean skincare steps for beginners, and this is the 2023 edition. Recently, Korean skincare has gotten lots of attention, especially for making glass skin. In my past videos, I've featured lots and lots of Korean beauty products, but I don't think I've ever talked about the fundamentals of Korean skincare, what kind of steps you need to follow, and what kind of products to apply in what order. So today is all about basics, and I'll be using products from Untitled 24 to show you the complete skincare routine. This video is sponsored by Untitled 24 by Dongguk. Thank you so much for sponsoring me. I really love their products. This might be my favorite Korean skincare product, so I'm very excited to share with you guys their products. By the way, you might be seeing some red circles on my face right now. That's not skin trouble, it's not acne. So what happened is last night I tried my new beauty device, and it's kind of like this suction thing. I pressed it too hard on my skin, so I shouldn't have done that the night before filming. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyways, if you're wondering what it is, that's what it is. Let's get back to the point. So what's so special about Korean skincare? What is this hype about? Well, the main focus of Korean skincare is their ingredients. Korean skincare is all about using expensive, hydrating, and very calming ingredients. And one of their main ingredients is Centella asiatica, which helps with anti-aging and hydration. In the past, cica has been a very trending ingredient used for calming, but the trend has shifted a bit. So in 2023, we should be looking at Madeca, which is basically the titrated extract of Centella asiatica. So it has all the benefits of Centella asiatica, but it's even better. It stimulates collagen production in your skin and intensively moisturizes it. So it's very effective for treating fine lines and wrinkles and helps maintain skin elasticity. So let me show you the products from Untitled 24 that use Madeca and Centella asiatica as their main ingredients. They have 5 different products for the complete skincare routine. Also, the main reason I trust this brand, Dongguk, is because they're actually a very traditional and well-established Korean pharmaceutical company. They have a very strong R&D team, so you can really trust their formula. Let me walk you through the actual Korean skincare steps, starting with this toner. This is the Madeca Relief Toner, and what toners do is they basically clean the oil and sebum on your skin and hydrates it to prep it for the rest of the skincare products. If your purpose is to exfoliate and clean your skin, I recommend that you use cotton pads to apply the toner. You need to make sure you fully soak your cotton pads. If it's only like half soaked, it can irritate and damage your skin. However, if your focus is more on hydration, which is what I prefer to do, you can just take the toner, put it on your hand like this, and apply it to your skin. During the summer, I use a lot of lightweight and very watery type of toner, but now it's fall here in Chicago and the weather's a bit drier than before. So I've been using this toner that has a little more of a hydrating formula. This product is still light enough, but it has a very hydrating formula because of the ingredient Madeca. So I've been enjoying using this toner a lot more recently. And this is not sticky at all, so if you're worried about it being sticky, don't need to worry. This is suitable for all skin types. The next skincare step after toner is this essence, and this one is Madeca Relief Essence from Untitled 24. You might be wondering how toner and essence are different, and toner basically like cleans and preps your skin, while the essence has a bit more focus on hydrating and nourishing your skin. It's a little bit thicker compared to the toner. Looks like this. See how it's slightly thicker? It's not dripping from my hand. And this product also contains Madeca, so it's extremely hydrating but still light enough to be layered nicely on top of the toner. Next, we have this serum. Actually, this product is an ampoule, but ampoule/serum you can use after toner and essence. It's a very tiny ampoule, and how it's different from the essence is that serums/ampoules tend to focus more on specific skincare concerns. There are vitamin C serums designed to treat hyperpigmentation and make your skin tone brighter, hyaluronic acid serum that is more focused on giving your skin the hydration boost. I like to pick and choose depending on my skin conditions and the weather. These days, like I mentioned, the weather's been extremely dry, so I've been using this ampoule that contains Madeca to treat dryness. There's no fancy techniques to apply this. You just kind of put it on your face like this. Just roll it, pat it, and absorb. This Madeca ingredient makes a hydration last for a long time. So it's not just glowy on the surface, but actually fully hydrated from inside. Next is my recent favorite skincare step, which is this sheet mask. This is the Madeca Derma Mask 3 Intensive Formula, and this is also from Centella 24 with the Madeca ingredient. Now you might be wondering, why not put it directly after cleansing? Like, why do you need to put all this toner, essence, ampoule, and all these things before using a sheet mask? And the answer is because the sheet mask helps seal all the moisture and benefits inside your skin. I actually wasn't a huge fan of sheet masks because I feel like they just have very temporary effects. They end up drying out after like half an hour to an hour. So that's why I haven't really been using it a lot in my videos. But this mask makes your skin so smooth and it actually stays. Let me show you. It looks like this. I've been seeing a lot of dry patches on my skin, on the sides of my lips, and just random areas on my skin where I put sunscreen or some makeup products. So this product has really been helping me protect my skin from the dry weather. It is advised that you leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes, but I personally recommend leaving it for 20 minutes because I've actually experimented with this. The first time I left it on for 10 minutes, and yesterday I was taking a bath, and so I left it on my skin for like 20 minutes. As soon as I took it off, my skin felt so much like baby skin. It lasted until the next morning. Yeah, so only if I didn't have the red marks from my beauty device, my skin would have looked even better. Another advantage of Madeca is that it really helps calm the irritated skin. I have a sensitive skin, so like 2 weeks ago when the season started to change, my skin got seasonal allergies. I got a lot of like red spots on my neck and my face, and my eyes were really red and itchy, so I was struggling with it for a few days. And around that time is when I started to test this product. After a few times of using it, my allergies started to come down a lot more than before. I'm not sure if this is entirely due to the product, but it definitely speeded up the process. So if you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, or have other type of irritation, their product will work really well for you. Let me take this off now. I think I'll be using them a lot more during the winter as the weather gets colder and windier. Chicago weather is so brutal. I'll definitely be restocking on these. So after toner, essence, ampoule / serum, and the sheet mask, the final step of the Korean skincare is a cream. And I know some of you use eye cream. I also use eye cream before going to bed, but that's kind of optional. And sometimes a really hydrating cream can be used around the eye areas instead of an eye cream. Let me show you this Madeca cream season 6 from Centella 24. And guys, this might be my favorite Korean skincare for dry skin. If any of you who have dry skin ask me for skincare recommendations, I would recommend this. I've tested and used so many different creams and skincare products. This just tops the list. I applied this cream, went to bed, and met my friend the next morning. She wouldn't stop touching my skin. She's like, it's so smooth, and she just kept touching it. This Madeca ingredient really does its job with skin smoothing. But I also know that a lot of you guys have combination or oily skin, so I got my friend who has normal skin but hates sticky products to test out this cream. Any product that I give her, she thinks it's sticky. She got back to me saying this cream doesn't feel too sticky and she likes having it on her skin. So I was very happy to hear it because it means this will not only work on my dry skin, but also on many other skins. But if you have a really oily skin, hold it. Before jumping in and buying this cream, I recommend that you try using this sheet mask first to see if this product works for you. They have similar Madeca and Centella ingredients and have similar effects and texture. So if this works for you, this cream should also work for you. I'm also aware that a lot of you are interested in skin brightening and evening out your skin tone. Guess what? This product also helps treat dull skin. So if you want a clearer, more glassy skin with a brighter skin tone, this cream should work. And like I mentioned, Madeca has lots of anti-aging benefits, so I'm also planning to gift the whole skincare set to my mom. She's currently in Korea, and she also has a really dry skin like me. We're always on the lookout for a good fall and winter cream. So I would highly recommend this cream to all of you, especially for the upcoming cold season. I've never experienced anything like this where I put a product on the night before and the next morning, like, it's still there as if I just applied it. Like, it was such a shocking experience that I got out of bed at like 7 a.m. and I remember it was a weekend. Made a post on Instagram and TikTok talking about how good this product is. And I did that using this Madeca line, starting from toner all the way to this cream. So taking the time to go through each skincare step and apply different products into your skin actually makes a difference. I think skincare is not just about making your skin look nice, and the self-care and healing aspects are also a huge part of skincare. So I hope you all can really enjoy the process and your skincare journey by going through these Korean skincare steps. All products that I mentioned today are available on Amazon. I'll put the links to the products in the description box, so I highly encourage you to check them out. Now I'm gonna go eat dinner and do more skincare before going to bed. I'll see you in the next video.